Welcome to ClarityLoop. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set goals in ClarityLoop, keep them updated without fuss, and connect them to the work and feedback that actually matters. We'll cover 4 things: where goals live and how to navigate the view, how to generate goal recommendations and turn one into a real goal, how to create, link, and track goals step by step, and how managers can manage goals for direct reports, including alignment to parent goals. Let's jump in. From the left navigation, open Goals. This is your goals home base. You'll see your current goals, past goals, and progress over time. At the top, take a quick moment to orient. You can filter what you're looking at, and you can expand goals to see details without opening a separate page. Now, there are 2 good ways to start here. You can create a goal from scratch, or you can start with a recommendation and edit it. Let's start with recommendations first. Click Generate Recommendation. You'll see a short screen asking if there's anything you want the recommendations to focus on. If you want, add a quick note. For example, focus on communication and execution this quarter. Or just leave it blank. Now, Generate. ClarityLoop will suggest a few goal ideas. On screen, treat these as a starting point, not a final answer. Pick one that feels useful. Open it, review the wording, and adjust the title so it sounds like something you'd actually say in a one-to-one. Then apply it to create a real goal. Now you're back in your goals list with that new goal created. Let's open it so we can shape it properly. Click the goal to expand it. First, make sure the goal itself is clear. A short title, a short description, and a time frame that makes sense. You'll also see Goals Stage. If you're still shaping it, keep it as draft. When it's ready to track, switch it to published. Now let's talk about the goal type, because it changes what you track. You can choose a focus like growth areas, deliverables, or both. If this is a skill development, growth is usually best. If this is an outcome you're delivering, deliverables works well. And if you want both, choose the combined option. Now let's add what you'll actually track. Inside the goal, add a key result or an action. Keep it simple. A key result should describe an outcome you can check in on. An action is something you'll do to move the goal forward. Add 1 or 2. You can always add more later. Once you've added them, you can reorder them to match your priority, so the goal reads top to bottom in a sensible way. Now, before we move on, let's connect the goal to why it exists. Look for the Links section on the goal. This is where you can connect the goal to things like a growth opportunity, received feedback, a career-level expectation, or a company value. Pick one. Linking a goal is a small step, but it pays off later. Because when you come back in a month, you'll immediately remember what triggered this goal, and you won't have to reconstruct context from memory. Now let's do the part that keeps goals alive: quick updates. On a key result, update the progress score. Keep the update short. If helpful, add 1 sentence of notes. For example, completed the first milestone, or blocked on dependency, next step is X. Those tiny notes make one-to-ones and reviews much easier later. Now, a quick tip for using goals in conversations. Before a one-to-one, you can add a goal to the agenda. That way you're not re-explaining anything. You're just bringing the goal into the conversation at the right moment. All right, that's the personal goal flow. Now let's cover 2 important manager workflows: creating goals for direct reports and aligning goals to a parent goal. First, Manager View. Go to your Team View or Team Dashboard and open one of your direct reports. Now open their Goals tab. You're now looking at goals for that person. From here, you can create a goal on their behalf, which is useful when you're coaching and you want to set a clear focus together. Click Add. You'll see you're creating a team member goal. Fill it out the same way: title, description, time frame, type, and stage. Then add key results or actions. Now, alignment. If this goal should roll up to a bigger goal, open Goal Alignment and choose a parent goal. This is useful when there's an org or team level objective and you want this person's goal to clearly connect to it. If it makes sense for others to align goals underneath this one as well, enable the option to allow team goals under this. That way, you can see how goals connect across a team without forcing everyone into the exact same wording. Now, save. Back in the list, you'll be able to see that alignment at a glance, and when you expand the goal, you'll see the linked items and the tracked progress all in one place. Before we wrap up, here are 2 quick nice-to-know things you can show briefly. 1, you can switch filters to view different time periods and stages, so goals stay manageable as the list grows. 2, you can export the goals view if you need an offline snapshot. Now let's wrap up. Here's the simple workflow to remember. Start in goals. If you want speed, generate a recommendation and edit it into something real. If you want control, create a goal from scratch. Make the goal easy to read, a short title, a short description, and a time frame. Add key results or actions so progress is trackable. Link the goal to what triggered it, feedback, growth opportunities, values, or level expectations. Then keep it alive with quick check-ins. Update progress, add a short note when it helps, and bring goals into one-to-ones through the agenda. And as a manager, use your Direct Reports Goals tab to create goals with them and align goals to a parent goal when you want clear roll-up and visibility. That's goals in ClarityLoop. Thanks for watching.